Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should just unlock our device, and here click to the cause we'll do that with the Move with Edge application. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got the applied this theme. You can select the another theme or just which you want, for example this one. And now just here you should go to the settings and click to the always on display. And as can you see here, we can just show our always on display feature on our screen lock always while our device charging, or when you just listen to music will stay with the always one. Here we can change our screen timeout from the 1 minute to just to never. We'll set the 30 minutes. Also you can here change the brightness on of the always on display feature and go with the 90%. Here we can set the double tap or single tap to close on our always on display. We'll go with a single tap. Sure, we can here select turn on the option to close on the always on display by our fingerprint if you got the selected set that fingerprint recognition here. Also we can just here and show just turn on or turn off to show the date, the incoming notifications, and some the controls details on our musics. Also we can hide them after 20, 50, 60 seconds or never. And here we can just change our battery status from the always to while charging and never, like the our always on display feature. And that's it. That's how to customize the AOD feature on our Motorola G71 5G. And thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.